So hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. In today's video I will show you exactly how to share your Google Calendar in different ways, whether it is with a specific person group or public or even by embedding it on a website. I will also show you how to share just one event instead of your whole calendar. So let's dive right in, but before that, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comments. So let's get started. First of all, let's look at how to share your calendar with a specific person like an assistant, coworker or family member. First of all, you have to go to Google Calendar right here. On the left hand side, you can find your calendar likely named after your Google account. Tap on to got it. Click three dots to next to it. Here you can see these three dots and click then settings and sharing. First search for the settings and sharing option, find the option, let me find it. This might be somewhere here. Okay, you can just simply tap onto the arrow. Okay, tap on the settings and from there you can change all these things if you want, and from here you can either copy this link and wait a few seconds, let me log in again. Okay, you can copy this link and then share it if you wish to, like this. As you can see, you can copy the link and share it to anyone you wish to share your Google calendars link. Now let's go to another options like wait, let me search the finding option. Tap onto event from here and you can see, you can add a title, you can add guests from here, you can also send them from here. I will talk about it later in the video. So when the other person receives your invite, all they have to do is click add this calendar from their Gmail or Google Calendar. So once they will add it, your events will show up in the calendar, usually in a different color. They can even choose a custom color or to visually separate from your calendar from theirs. If you change the permission letter, like setting it to free view only, they will see less event details only. You grant more access. Now you want to share the link with the public, go back to settings and sharing here. Wait. You can search for people if you want. You can search their email address and send them the link. Okay. You can tap on to get ads on, and from there wait until it is loaded. You can add more filters and templates from here if you wish to, and you can manage these apps. You can also switch it to task if you wish to, but for now I will go with this one. Now let's say you want to send only task or only event to your friend. So at the top left corner you can see this create options here. You have to tap onto it and from there you have to choose whether you want to share event, task or appointment schedule. For me, I'm gonna just tap onto event and then you have to choose the event and edit a title, and then you have to tap onto add guests. You can also choose date from here. You can tap onto add guests and search for their email address or anything. Now on the more options you will find some extra options to it. You can access the guest permission, like what permissions do you want to grant them, and then you can save it, and then you can send it to someone if you wish to. Now you have to go back to, wait, let me find the option. So if you want to share it, you have to go to the settings option and then tap on to settings, and then you can see this option, settings for my calendars. You can go there and you can share it from here, like export calendar, and whether you want to choose give access to the normal peoples to see your calendar or not. So you can choose this to make available to public, and anyone can see it with the link, even uh, the person who doesn't have access to it. Okay, now you can get shareable link by clicking on it. You can copy the link and paste it to the person you wish to send the link to, and they will click the link, and they will be able to check out your events. Okay, so this is how you can do it. You can access permissions for events from here. You can add notification, add people and group if you wish to, and here you can see who other share with, like whom do you have shared the link with, and there's all these options. You just can click one by one and check all the options right here, and you can check it out from here. You can import and export your calendar from here. You can add calendar right here, and from general you can change your language, region, your country, your date format, your time format, and all of this. And this is how you can share your Google Forms, like Google Calendar, to the people. And now let's say at the last you want to customize them a little bit. You can just add the you can just tap out on the date and time, and then you can add a title, you can add guest, you can add Google Meet conferencing meeting to the event or task, you can add location and all this etc. You can have more options like here, and then you have to tap save, and there you go. There, those will be added to it. Once you do that, you can customize it. Also, I showed you how you can get shareable link and send that to anyone. So it is a quick way to share availability without inviting people manually. You can also embed your calendar into a website. So this is how you can do all this, and that's how you can share calendar in multiple ways, whether it is public privately, or just for one event. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how you use Google Calendar in your work or life. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye. And make sure to check the link in the description box, or it can be maybe in the pinned comment. Okay, goodbye. Just let me take the screenshot.